The secret of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class's success is partly down to the wide model range, also including two sporty two-door versions, the coupe launched at the end of 2015 and the Cabriolet available since the summer of 2016 address the heart and mind in equal measure. The design of the vehicles is one of the main reasons for purchasing in Europe. Both models are produced at the Mercedes-Benz Bremen plant. Shortly after the saloon and estate, the two-door models too are benefiting from extensive revisions. The most important enhancements at a glance. New four-cylinder engines, some of which with 48V on-board electrical system, EcoBoost, for sporty driving pleasure with high efficiency. Advancement of the sporty design in particular at the front and tail end, new light alloy wheels, new colors. Now standard fit LED high-performance headlamps with new design or optional multi-beam LED headlamps with ultra-range high beam. Enhanced interior with digital cockpit, 31.2 cm/12.3 inches, larger media display, 26 cm/10.25 inches, new multifunction steering wheel with touch control buttons. Many opportunities for individualization, for example through new open-port trim elements. Lounge atmosphere thanks to ambient lighting now with 64 colors and energizing comfort control to enhance well-being and fitness. Additional sound system with 9 loudspeakers and an output of 225W as a new optional extra between the standard sound system and the Burmester registered surround sound system. Individually configurable driving experience with new dynamic body control suspension including damping characteristics adjustable in 3 stages and sports direct steer system or air body control suspension. Future-oriented driving assistance systems from Mercedes-Benz with S-Class functions and cooperative driver support. Electrification continues, C200 with EcoBoost. A new generation of 4-cylinder petrol engines, M264, is being launched in the new C-Class. The new petrol model is coming initially as the C200 and C200 4MATIC with a displacement of 1.5 liters. At the same time these models are equipped with an additional 48-volt onboard network with a belt-driven starter, alternator, EcoBoost. A 2.0-liter variant will follow later. The combination of a 48-volt onboard network and EcoBoost creates the conditions for additional functions that help to reduce fuel consumption even further, while improving agility and comfort characteristics. When accelerating, EcoBoost can assist the 135 kilowatts, 184 horsepower, engine with an additional 10 kilowatts, 14 horsepower, bridging the brief moment until the turbocharger has built up its full charge pressure. During deceleration, the starter, alternator recuperates kinetic energy and charges the battery. Other advantages include gliding mode with the engine switched off, and the recuperative brake with intelligent engine stop when the vehicle is coasting. Recuperation only begins with overrun cutoff when braking. When the speed falls below a certain minimum level, the powertrain is decoupled and the engine is switched off. This has the advantage of maximum fuel savings through recuperation together with comfortable vehicle response. The exhaust gas turbocharger uses a twin-scroll system. Camtronic variable valve timing is also on board. This allows 2-stage adjustment of the valve lift on the intake side. In-engine measures to reduce friction round off the efficiency strategy of the new 4-cylinder power unit. These include the Mercedes-Benz patented conic shape registered process, known in-house as conical honing. When form honing the cylinder walls, the cylinder wall is opened out slightly towards the bottom, so as to reduce friction at the piston skirt for lower wear and fuel consumption. Alongside the diesel engines, the petrol engines are also equipped with a particulate filter in Europe.